Okay. How many of you know what is number bonding? What is number bond?
Sir, I know.
Who I know? Who I?
I don't know. Agni does not know, sir. Advika. Rushit.
Rishit. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me
Adya.
Rishit.
Advika.
Adya. Very good. Chalo, tell me.
Advika.
Okay.
Sir,
Rishit, tell me first. Okay. Chalo. Okay.
sir,
You want to answer? You can raise your hand. जैसे आद्या ने किया है, right? Okay. Rishit,
sir,
tell me.
sir, first step to draw. First, pajama pant. If you have drawn a number, if you have written the number like 22 up, so what makes that number like 20 and 20 plus 20 plus 2 is 22. You can write 11 plus 11 is also 22. So you can write different forms.
Okay. So what is? चलो. तो फिर भी मेरा answer तो I did not get the answer. Adya, tell me what is the number bond?
Sir, number bond is when you make different bonds of a particular number. Like for example, you give us the number 33 and you tell us that what is 33 less than 100. So how can we find it?
Okay.
First we have to do in the tens place we will do 9 and in the ones place we will do tens.
So you are telling me how to solve this. Still my question is answered. What is number bond? Yeah, Advika. What is number bond?
Number bond is a way to express the same thing in different ways. Like if you want to make the number 9.
See, it is no. It is friend and number bond. It is same thing. Okay. Anybody can give you simple one-liner definition. What is number bond? What is number bond? Anybody? Ivan. Ivan. Ivan.
Yes.
Tell me what is number bond?
I do not know what.
Very good. Chalo. Vanya.
Sir,
Number bond.
I don't know what's
Ishka.
number bond.
Yeah.
Number bond is when you take two different numbers and you join and you add them together to make another number.
Very good. Sabas. Good. So when you take two numbers, the sum, what you got? It is the number bond of that number. Now you can have number bond for every number, right? Except one. Okay.
Yes.
You have 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 12, 18. For example, I'll give some odd number. Okay. You need to understand.
10,000.
Hello. Listen. Okay. When I'm talking, I give you time, right? I don't speak in between. So when I'm talking, nobody is speaking in between. You have to listen. Okay, Avni, Vanya, keep the mic and video on. जिसका mic और video on होगा class छोड़ दो. Vian, keep the audio on. Unless your bandwidth is low, keep everybody video on. I want everybody's video and mic to be on. Vian.
But can I drink water?
Yes, you can. For drinking water, hello. Listen. For drinking water, eating, you did not take my permission, right?
Yes.
You have to take my permission only for the washroom, right? And then you should not say what you do. I told you last time, right? For washroom, what you should do? Hello, sir.
Sir, you said that if you want to go to the washroom, ask me.
You don't say raise your voice, raise your hand and wait. Okay, I'll not see raise your hand. Vihan. Oh, Vihan.
Yes.
Beta, where is your mic? Why your video is off? Huh? Always you have to keep the video on.
Sir,
Those who, if you are eating, you are drinking, doesn't matter. If you are not well, you are sleeping on the bed, you are sitting on the bed or lying on the bed, still you have to keep the video on. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ठीक है, चलो. So what Mishka said is good, perfect definition. What she says, when two numbers, for example, number bond of 12, for example, I'll take, right? So number bond of 12 is 1 plus 11, okay, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 9, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 7, 6 plus 6, right?
4 plus
They are all number bonds of 12, right?
10.
Likewise, you have
7
for
plus
20.
5.
Sorry?
7 plus 5 and 8 plus 4, 9 plus
अरे आ गया ना ये सब यहाँ पे. Why you have to write repeat, right?
6.
You got this, right? 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 5 same, right?
Yes, sir.
Rishit?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
okay. So you should not repeat it, right? Either you write 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 5. It is same thing, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So these are the number bonds of 12. Okay, I can have number bond for 27. I can have number bond for 39. I can have number bond of 53. I can have number bond for 65. Correct? But
Yes.
all the
Yes,
number
sir.
bond is not required,
Sir,
right?
we can have number bond for any number except
Very good.
one.
Correct. You should have a number bond for any number, right? You
Right.
can have the number bond for any number. So there is no
Except
problem.
one.
Okay, but what is more effective to use? Which are the number bond which are very effective to use?
Sir?
Yeah.
10. Yeah,
Rishit, video off है Rishit. Why is video off? Huh? Now those who are keeping, I am going to pay the penalty, right? If they put a video or audio, if I see, observe, I am continuously observing it, right? If you want, do you want me to send a picture? I can see everybody's name and the recording. Can you see? Want to see this? Let me send you the photo. So if I am whiteboard also share, I can see everyone who is recording or not recording, right? Sorry, their video is off or on. 1 minute, I'm just checking it. I'm just sending the photo, so at least you will know what exactly I can see. I can see the panel. Okay, let me send you this. Send me the live photo. Okay, and I show you here also, right? Now, if you keep the video off or mic off, I can immediately come to know. Okay?
Will show us. Okay, sir. Sir, will you show us?
1 minute, I'll show you. 1 minute. अगर तुमको देखना भी है तो I'll show you. So at least next time you don't do this. Okay. One time video off, mic off. One time you do it, you are going to get penalty. Clear?
Yes.
Penalty of 100 rupees. Second time 200. Third time 300. Then so on and so forth. Right? So I'll collect money and I send it all the students for the chocolate, pizza, pasta eating. Right?
Sir,
Yes.
can I go to eat? Can I go to take something?
जल्दी जाके आ जाओ, फटाफट. You know, everybody knows the class time. So if they are hungry, okay, they should sit with the guys, sit with the water bottle here, right? So water bottle I have. Clear? So I don't have to go.
Also have, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I have a question.
Everybody has to sit. 1 minute.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Remember when I said about number bonds? I only explained it in my own words. Can you explain me?
That is same, na? The number bond when any number, you said when any two numbers add up to some number, that is the number bond for that number, correct? Which is the sum, correct, na? So sum, the number bond of 12 is what? 1 plus 11, 2 plus 10, 5 plus 7, 6 plus
9
6,
plus 3.
all 9 plus 3, all these number bonds, right?
Sir,
Correct?
sir,
Yes?
can I go to washroom?
Yes. Okay.
Sir, can I?
Listen here. Now I'm showing you how I can see. Okay, I'll send you, but I'm showing you here. Oh, it has not come. Let it come. There's a lot of background noise. From where it is coming?
Sorry, wait. जी दवाई बनकर
Chalo. So number bond. Okay. Listen. Hello. The number bond. What are number bonds are important is only 9 and 10 with a single digit and the smallest two-digit number. After that, all the number bonds of 100, 1000, 10,000 is important, right? But even the number bond of the rounding numbers. Anybody know what is rounding number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute.
What
Nobody.
number?
No, I agree. Nobody will speak. They have to raise your hand if you want to answer. Raise your hand, those who wants to answer. Yeah, Adya, tell me. Adya का always हाथ ऊपर ही रहता है. Adya,
Yes, sir.
तेरा हमेशा हाथ ऊपर ही रहता है. थक जाएगी. नीचे रख दे हाथ. Okay, tell me. Vanya, 1 minute. Vanya, I'll remove you from the class if your mic and video is off. Vanya.
No, sir. Penalty. It's a penalty.
Penalty तुमको चाहिए? You want chocolate है? Adel, you want chocolate?
हैं? सर आपने हमारी चॉकलेट्स नहीं लिखी. हाँ.
Okay, चलो. Okay, Adya, tell me.
डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क बबली.
अरे वेट, ये नहीं है, मेरे को भी पता है, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा उसका. Okay, which are number bond are important? 9, 10, then 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so this is important, right? Because it gives you very fast calculation, this thing, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good.
Easy calculation. Right?
Sorry?
It makes calculation more easier, right?
Okay, yes. Calculation more easier. And other number bonds are the rounding numbers. What are rounding numbers? Adya, tell me, what are rounding numbers?
Rounding numbers are numbers which are rounded to a particular step. For example, if you give us
What is rounded number? What is rounded to what?
a number.
Tell me the single. Okay, chalo. I'll give you some numbers here. Hold on. Chalo. I don't want an example. Without example, you should be able to explain me, right? Vanya, why your video and mic was off?
Because I went for washroom.
So you keep the video on and mic on, then you can go and come back, right?
Okay.
Okay. 68, 40, 93, 70. Okay. 55. Which are the rounding numbers?
70 and 40.
Well, how do you define?
Sir, because they have 0 at the end.
Correct. So simple bolo. Okay. You know I am the dumbest person in the world, right? So you should tell me the simple word, right? I will not understand. Rounding, like, example. Okay. The number ending with 0 will always be considered a rounded number. But even when you go ahead, even these are rounded number to whole number, right? When you do the decimal, okay, I'll do it in a level. So these are also rounded number. But first rounded number is called when the number are ending with 0. Correct?
Yes.
All the rounded number, that is 20, 30, 40, 400, 500, 700, 1000, 10,000, 5,000, 7,000. These are all the good numbers to rounding off, right?
Sir, but 93 and 55, if we do in decimal, then also not a rounding number.
No, decimal जब सिखाऊंगा तब मैं बताऊंगा. Don't worry. अभी दिमाग मत लगाओ. ठीक है? When I teach the rounding number, I'll tell you that time. Correct? So all the rounding number bonding is very, very important. And I'll give you example today. In today's class, we are going to learn how the number bonding is going to be very, very helpful, right? And by the time, okay, next week, I am going to take your test on tables. Okay. And somebody is fumble. 1D table only. Okay, like Adya. Chalo, I'll give demo. Adya, ready?
Sir, my demo. Advika demo.
Wait. Adya, ready?
Yes.
Okay. 5 8s are
40.
7 9s are
63.
7 3s are
21.
3 9s are
27.
9 8s are
9 8s are 72.
8 4s are
32.
4 7s are
4 7s are 28.
7 6s are
42.
Okay. So it should be this fast. Okay, clear? And
Yeah.
Adya, you asked me questions 2 times. You should not repeat the question. Right?
Okay, sir.
I know you take time to answer, but it has to be very quick. तेरे को भी आएगा. Okay, so everybody practice this. Whatever given, next class में everybody has to be very strong. If it is not done, and everybody, I told you last time also, send me how much practice you are doing. Nobody send me the practice, right?
Sir, I did.
यार
I did.
तेरे को दिया ही नहीं था. बाकी सबका I am talking about.
Sir, you gave me.
No,
I'll check,
I
sir.
gave you not to do
I'll
practice
check.
every day. I gave you everyday PDF, right?
Yes.
Nobody send me this description. Ke, sir, I am doing 5 minutes. I have done 50 sums. I have done 100 sums. Correct? I want today onwards, everybody should send me this. Yes,
Sir, you
Ivan?
gave me tables.
Yes, Ivan,
Yes.
ready? Shall I take the table?
Okay.
5 minutes.
Ivan,
Morning.
Yes.
Morning or afternoon.
Rishit, आवाज नहीं. Vivan, no noise. Okay, Ivan, ready?
Yes.
7 5 are,
35.
7 9 are,
63.
9 5 are,
45.
9 8 are,
72.
8 7 are.
56.
Huh?
56.
Okay. 6 9 are said or 7 8 are?
7 8, sir.
Very good. 7 8 are. 8 4 are.
32.
4 9 are. 4 9 are. Ivan, 4 9 are. Hello, what happened? Ivan, can you hear me? I think he is disconnected. Okay. Clear, everyone? So you should be, everybody should be this fast, right? So I'm telling you rounding number, how it is useful, right? And how you can use it for the, especially for the addition subtraction.
The AI is
It depends what are you there. Okay. Vivan, merchant.
Yes.
Beta, keep the tera mic. I can see a black screen like this.
Even I can see my black screen.
Flap on kar tera. Open your flap.
On, sir.
It is not on. I can't see it is a black, completely black.
Sir, mine is open. I don't know what's happening.
Oh.
Vivan, merchant.
Merchant beta नहीं दिख रहा है मेरा. It is check on the top. There is a flap must be there. I can't see you.
View or flap?
It is completely black. Rishit.
Wait, I'll call my mom and ask her.
Yes, ask. Viva, Rishit. On कर.
Sir.
जाने गए. अच्छा Rishit, 500 rupees penalty.
Why, sir?
मेरा वीडियो बंद है.
हैं? अरे एक कासू सर वो सर ये कासू बंद हुआ मेरे को नहीं मालूम.
अच्छा कहाँ से बंद हुआ तेरे को नहीं मालूम?
Sir, my mom is saying she doesn't know what happened.
तो एक काम कर रीलॉगिन करेगा बेटा एक बार.
Okay.
Try रीलॉगिन once.
सर ये बहुत ऊपर था.
बहुत ऊपर था बेटा. क्या बेटा तेरा कितना उम्र है? What is your age?
9.
9. Okay. 4 times of age is what? 9 for the?
36.
I am using computer class 36 years laptop. समझ में आया? 4 times of your age. So I know what exactly is happening, right? ऊपर था अपने आप बंद हो गया. ये क्या भूत है क्या? हाँ, is it monster? या अपने आप जादू से बंद हो जाएगा क्या? कुछ भी बोलता है.
Sir is smarter than everyone now. Someone did magic on that.
Okay, चलो now clear. Okay, so number one, हाँ बोल आ दिया.
सर मैं बोल रही थी कि मेरा लैपटॉप 3 साल पुराना है.
कितने साल पुराना है?
3
साल पुराना. वेरी गुड. चलो.
इसका बर्थडे. सर.
Okay, चलो listen again. Hello. Wait. Now no discussion, right? Okay, I am telling you number bonds of 9 and 10. Anybody knows what is number bond of 9 and 10? Two numbers adding up to 9, which is called as number bond of 9 and 10. So everybody should know number bond of 9 and 10. I am going to teach you number bond of 100, 1000.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, who?
Nishita,
Beta, if you have question,
bye.
if you have question, raise your hand first.
Sir, I have
Okay.
a question.
I have no. Who is I? I don't understand I.
Nishika.
Nishika, tell me.
Sir, like number bonds are like addition. 9, I mean,
Yeah,
9,
it is already
4
done.
plus
Yes,
5
yes.
is 9. So can it be like minus?
No,
Why?
no. It is not. Minus will not come as number bond. Number bond is what? Joining, right?
Yes.
If you
Yes.
detach it, if you break it, how it will become bond?
It'll be minus.
No, it will be 10 minus 3. Then number bond of 10 will be 7. But it is not called a 7 number bond, right? So number bond you have to add only. Bonding is what? What do you mean by bond? You join.
Make a group.
You join, you add.
Or you make a group.
Wait. Now I am going to give you number bond of 100 and 1000 and then we'll proceed. Okay.
100 is 80, 20, 10, 50, 50 and 1000 is 500, 500.
Okay. No, it is. No, wait. Hello. Wait. I told you when I'm talking, nobody else will speak, right? If you want to do chit chat, leave the class. What I am telling you, number bond of 100 is not 50 or 50 or 20 or 80 or 60 or 40. It can be any number which is less than 100. It can be 19 and 1. It can be 2 and 98. It can be 3 and 97. It can be 5 and 95. It can be 85 and 15. All these what you add up to 100, which becomes a number bond for that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Something black has covered. Something black had covered the screen, but now it went.
Sorry?
Something black had covered the screen,
Which
but
3?
now it went on your screen.
No problem. So I'll just repeat ना. I'll just tell. हाँ वो चला गया बेटा अपना disconnect हो गया था ना. I got disconnected. That's why. ठीक है, doesn't matter. But 12 का ये हो गया था, right? So can you see this?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so number bond of 100. When you do this, so what you need to do understand? The logic says first tens place friend of 9 and ones place friend of 10, which is number bond of 10. Correct? Here. For 100, what will do? For 1000? For 1000, what will do? Come on, fast.
1000. Sir, 100 place friend of 9 and
Sir, 100 places, 100 places friend of 10 and 1000 places friend of 1000 places friend of 9.
Correct.
Sir, place is friend of and 1 place is friend of 10.
Okay. Now I'll give one formula. Okay. So tens place, 100 and tens place is friend of 9. Ones place is this. And general formula क्या होगा? General formula. All from 9 and last from 10. समझ में आया? This is general formula, right? The last from is what? Last non-zero number. Correct? Okay. So I'll give you one by one. I'll call out the name. Okay, roll number. Everybody there knows the roll number, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because
Okay.
also no.
So,
Okay, I'll tell you the roll number because abhi Anaya she has gone to B group, so the roll number is changed. I'll call out the name. Just check the roll numbers of each one of you, right?
sir, I
Yes.
do not understand.
Who,
Sir, I
beta?
did not understand.
Avni.
Avni, I'll tell you, beta. Don't worry.
Sir, I did not understand.
Who, beta?
Sir,
Avni.
next.
Papa, bhat.
Hello. Who I?
Advay.
Advai. Huh. So tell your name. Sir, I don't understand. I'll
I
not
said
know who
Advay.
are. Very good.
said Advay. You heard I.
Acha, okay, Advai. Okay, chalo, no problem. Okay,
Sir.
I'll explain, don't worry. Okay,
Sir.
I'll solve one by one. I'll explain also. Keep patience. When I ask you, anybody has a doubt, that time you tell me, I have not understood. Clear? I have not explained yet. So basically, you will not know. Clear?
If you don't
Yes.
understand, ask the
Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So first is Adya, second is Advai, third is Avni, four is Ivan, Mishka, fifth, six is Russia, seven is Rashid, eight is
Seven, no,
Vanya.
sir, I am eight. Sir, what am I?
बेटा वो पहले था. हेलो
What am
सर.
I? Sir, what am I?
I am telling you roll number. Write down. Clear? Now don't tell me, sir, my was this and this was this. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So just listen and write down your roll numbers. Clear? Open your
Yes.
book and write down.
Written, sir, written.
Wait. Adya, listen. Only listen.
Yes,
Adya,
sir.
roll number 1. Advai 2. Avni 3. Ivan 4. Mishka 5. Russia 6. Rushit 7. Vanya 8. Vidhi 9. Vihan 10. And V1 it is 11. Correct?
Sir, Advika.
अद्विका तेरा लास्ट में है. अद्विका तेरा ये चेंज होगा. आई विल पुट यू ऑन द 12. डोंट वरी. Your badge is going to change. Okay? Clear? So don't worry. I know you are there. Everybody understood? Noted that down? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Advika, you're 12 right now.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, चलो.
Sir, Vivan rejoined. I rejoined.
Yeah, I can see. Vihan, I can see you. Very good. Chalo. Now roll number 1. Those who don't, okay, I'll go roll number wise. Those who have not understood, they say, sir, I don't know. Clear? क्या बोलेगा?
I don't know.
Very good.
I don't
So I'll skip
know.
that. You still observe how others are solving. Clear? I already written the logic on the top. Okay. So this number you have to make a friend of. Listen very carefully. This number you have to make a friend of 100. This number you have to make a friend of 1000. Very good. So what logic I give you? 10's place is friend of 9 and 1's place is friend of 10. Clear? And one more thing I have written is last non-zero number is friend of 10. Right? What is that?
Last non-zero.
Very good. Last non-zero number is
May I
friend
go
of...
to washroom?
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, हाँ बोल.
Vivan missed this. Vivan missed it.
अभी मैंने नहीं किया बेटा. अभी मैं सिखाया नहीं बेटा. I have not taught बेटा. Don't worry. ठीक है? Now what I'm saying is 10's place. Friend of 100, 10's place should be friend of 9. अच्छा, everybody knows what is friend of 9. Vivan, you know friend of 9 and 10?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Friend of 9 and 10 is what? Okay, you write down in a book. Chalo, I'll write that first because that is the base one. Right? Now number bond is said 2 numbers adding up to 9, which is called as friend of 9. Friend of... Everybody write down in your book and you have to send me this, right? Or that is called as number bond. Right? Number bond of
Sir,
9.
wait, let me write.
Clear? Okay. 0, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5. Write down this in your book.
Sir, Advika to write.
Everybody has to write. Everybody. Whether you know or you don't know, doesn't matter. At the end of the class, you have to send me on my on the group chat, right?
Sir, is it okay if I don't write till 4, if I write till 9?
Beta, it's okay, whatever you want to write. At least this is minimum what I'm writing, you have to write this, okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
I'm writing.
This is minimum what you need to write.
Sir, I
Minimum thing.
didn't finish.
Beta, wait a minute, darling. I'm giving you, beta. I'm giving you clear slate, right? So write down.
But do we have to write it till 9 or till
9 and 10. Chalo, write down quick.
wait? Done, sir.
Very good.
That's sir.
Very good.
Done, sir.
Ah, yes, beta. I have heard it.
Done, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes, I have heard it. Learn this.
This is the kind of one of 6 Done, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Now, so now what you know, everybody can, this is very easy for everyone. Everyone,
Yeah. Yes.
beta, easy. This is for easy for you.
Yes.
You can do na 4 plus 5 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, right?
Yes.
Yes, easy. Now, what you need to do, you need to use the combination here. What I have written? Tens place friend of 9 and ones place is friend of 10. So, if you subtract this, I'll give you this idea. If you want to subtract this, for example, I'm just giving you here how difficult it is for you if you don't use the Vedic method. This is Vedic method, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now if I tell you this without the trick, okay, listen very carefully, everyone. This is for everyone, okay? Without the trick, if you want to say 100 minus 37, okay, 1000 minus 9, 692, okay. If you want to say 10,000 minus 4693, okay, you have 100,000 minus 23479. How difficult it is to solve? मेरे को बताओ. How difficult it is to solve normal case? Difficult, right? It will take time, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll tell you this. What exactly those is? 0 minus 7 cannot be done. I'm just telling you how you know the normal subtraction, right? So 0 minus 7, you cannot do it. So what you do, you go here, make it 0, make it, cut this, make it 9.
And
This is
cut
10,
this,
right?
make it
Here,
9.
same way. It will become 0, then
Make it
10, cut 9, 10, cut 9, and then 10. Similarly here, 0, 10, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 10. Clear? Here also 0, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, cut, 9, 9, 9. क्या हो गया? What is the meaning? What you are getting it? All from 9, last from 10. Can you see this? This become friend of 10. So that is why what I do is, this is 7, friend of 10 here, and this is friend of 9. Can you see this?
Yes.
This is what exactly the concept is, right? So
Yes.
here when you are doing, this is normal subtraction, this is 3, then 0, and this is 8. This is friend of 9, and this is friend of 10. Correct? Here also you see 5, 3, 0, 7. So all these are friend of 9, and this is friend of 10. Correct?
So sir, the ones place one is
It's
10,
friend of 10.
friend of
Yes.
10 and
7.
rest are 9.
Sahi jawab. Very good. Everybody is clear now?
You thought this before grade VIP 3-1.
Sorry?
I thought this. I thought this in VIP 3.
Yes, beta. But those who are new students, for them also I have to teach, right? And I'll go one level advanced than 3, right? But at least you should know what is the basic of it, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Chalo. Okay. We'll get one step ahead, but then you should know, everybody should know the basic also, right? So without writing all this carry over, borrowing, day, cutting, fitting, correct? You can write a neat and clean word, right? So what I have written here, now you know, tens place friend of 9, ones place friend of 10, correct? Here 110's place friend of 9 and ones place is friend of 10. The last non-zero number, ones place is last non-zero number it should be. If there is a 0, I'll show you. If there is 0, I'll convert couple of them and I'll show you. In general, what happens? In general formula is all from 9, last from 10, non-zero number. क्या है?
From 9, last from 10, last number.
Yes, last non-zero number, right? So I'll just put here one or two cases where I put in 0 in something, right? I'll just put 0. So
Sir,
it is,
I know what to do.
sorry,
Sir, I know. Sir, Advika knows what to do.
beta, it's okay. If you know, thank you very much. You can still listen because there are a lot of people who don't know. I am to teaching everyone, right? Clear? Because you are doing my class for last 2 years, I am sure you must be knowing it, right?
Yes.
You know even better than this, okay? Much advanced than this, right?
Yes.
You can do in lakhs and crores also, right?
Sir.
So let the others learn. Okay, beta? Clear? Chalo. So what I do is friend of 9 for this and friend of 10 for this. So what is the answer? It will be 31. Clear? It is friend of 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Clear? Okay. One more I'll do it here. Friend of 9 for this. It is 1 and 6 and 8. 1, 6 and 8. Now tell me who is not understanding it. Tell me the name. I don't tell I. Tell me the name.
Vidhi.
Huh? Acha, those who don't understand, raise your hand. Those who don't understand, raise their hand. I am checking this. Vivan, Merchant, Vanya, Advai, and who is that? 1 minute. Very good. Rishit, Vihan. Okay. Everybody understand? I am repeating the name. Hello, listen. I am repeating the name. Those who don't understand, those raise the hand. It is Vivan, Vanya, Advai, Rishit, and Vihan. Anybody other than has one not understood can raise their hand. Those who understand, they can keep. Huh?
Vidhi.
Vidhi, beta, keep the hands up, na beta. Raise your hand in the system. In the system, there is an option called as raise the hand, right? Mishka, you also did not understand? Mishka,
No.
loudly, beta.
No.
Okay. Vidhi, raise your hand. There is a reaction below. You can raise your hand.
Not able to.
You can see everybody's raised hand. There is a reaction in the Zoom. This thing. You can raise your hand there.
Raise hand.
Vidhi. Correct, right? So I'm repeating name. Vidhi, Mishka, Vivan, Vihan, Rishit, Vanya, and Advai. Correct? Did I miss anyone? No. So Adya, Ivan, Advika, and Avni.
Can I go to the washroom?
Sorry?
Can I go to the washroom?
Who, beta?
Adya.
Adya, go. Chalo. So she understands now. I'll tell you. Okay, listen very carefully what I'm going to explain you, right? Why I'm saying all from 9, last from 10. Listen very carefully. I'll explain you the logic, right? We already explained, but I'll explain one more time. Okay. Suppose you have to do it number bond of say 1000. I'll start with a very small number, right? I'll start with a very small one. Number bond of 1000, right? Suppose you have 1000 here minus 289 or 284, for example, right? If you want to do this. It is subtraction, right? So basically, this number here, whatever answer you will get, if you add this number plus this number, you should get 1000, yes or no?
Yes.
So if I write this 1000 minus 284 is equal to something, the same thing I can write is 284 plus something equal to 1000, yes or no?
Yes.
Both are same thing, yes or no? Everybody, those who have not understand, I want confirmation. Is it correct? They have not understood. I'll go very slow and explain you. No problem. Everybody understood this part, yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Correct? So that means I should have some number here. When I add this to 284, should get 1000. So that means 1000 minus you do it. Now in normal subtraction, what you do? 0 minus 4 is possible?
No.
No, right? So what you do?
No.
You go and borrow here. They don't have also money. You'll go here. They don't have money. You'll go here. So what will do? It will cut. It will become 0. They'll come here. Hello, no background noise. No background noise from everyone. Avni, 10, 10. When you cut this, it will become 9. This is 10 will become 9. And this 10 will remain 10. Anybody that doubt up till this point, I think you must be doing all this in your class, right?
Yeah.
Everybody must have used this, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. So what will happen? 10 minus 4. So it will become 6. This is 9 minus 8. What will become?
1.
And this is 9
7.
minus. So what is happening this? Can you see this? Because it is top 9, this become friend of 9. And this is 1. The last one become friend of 10. Correct? Because you have to make this 2 number should add up to 10 and this 2 number should make the friend of 9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir, I wrote it down first.
Who बेटा?
Avni.
बेटा अवनी तेरा तो ऑलरेडी डाउट नहीं ना तो क्यों बोल रही बेटा बीच में? It is only for those who have doubt, right?
Okay.
Those who understand, keep quiet. Correct? Now, anybody has a doubt can ask me.
Sir,
Is anybody having doubt?
Vidhi.
Vidhi, what is the doubt, beta?
Sir, what will be the friend of that 10?
Friend of 10. I told you, no, friend of 10 is 4, 6, 4, 6, 2, 8, 1, 9. Which becomes, what is number bond? I started in, right? In the start, what I have taken number bond, right? Can you see here?
Sir.
Ek minute, beta. Can you see here, Vidhi?
Yes.
One by one. One person asking one doubt, nobody will interfere in between. Can you see the number bond?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So now, what is the last number here? Okay, chalo, I am writing one more here. I'll write one more big number here, right? 1, 0, 0. Vidhi, everybody else has a problem. Just keep in mind, right? Just check it here, right? Just observe this here very clearly. 0, right? Minus. You can give any number. 3, 7, 4, 8, 5. Right? So here 2. This is one last number. This is you have to write. What is this? Has to be friend of 9. This has to be friend of 10. Right? Why? Because of this, right? Because of this, because of this, because of this, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
When I borrow, what will happen? These all will become 9. Can you see on the top? All are becoming 9 here, right?
Yes.
All are becoming 9 here. The last one is only 10, right?
Yes.
So what you see? Okay, all a friend of 9. Without cutting, without borrowing, without any doing working, you can directly find the answer. How you do it? For 3, what is the friend of 9? From 3, what is the friend of 9?
3 friend of 9, 6.
6. For 7,
7, 3.
yeah. Friend of 9, beta, it is 2.
The friend of mine is good.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay.
Friend of
For
mine.
4, what is the friend of 9?
5.
5.
5.
For 8, what is friend of 9?
8.
1.
1, sorry.
8 is the one. For 5, friend of 10 you have to find, right? What did you find?
5.
Done. Easy now.
Yeah.
Clear everyone?
Yes. Yes.
अच्छा लगा? Very good. Chalo. Is
Very
it clear?
easy.
Very easy. Okay. Anybody has a doubt? Still has a doubt? Okay, tell me. Anybody has still doubt?
No, sir.
Lower
No,
your
sir.
hand. Everybody understood?
Yes.
Very good. So I'll ask one by one. There are 15 minutes left. I still have enough time.
हैंड लो कैसे करना है?
Okay. I still
हैंड
have
को हटाना
enough
कैसे?
time to teach you all this, right? Clear?
Yes.
So don't worry. Okay, I'm sending you this on your WhatsApp, right? This is 4A.
Sir, can Vivan go to washroom? Vivan.
Yes,
We have to send this friend of 10 and 9 on the.
किसको कुछ नहीं भेजना है. You whatever you are writing in a book, write down this, right? And then at the end of the class, you send me the photograph. Correct? On the group. Correct? So now everybody understood. Now can we do it here orally?
Okay.
Very good. Chalo. Everybody will do one. I've done one. I'll do one more, right? So I want a friend of 9 for this. See, I have a practice of very good friend of 9. Correct? And those who have not understood, those who understood earlier, like Ivan, Avni, then Adya, and who was that fourth one? Fourth one था जिसको सब समझ में आया था.
Advika.
Advika, right. So this fourth one, and Rushit को भी आना चाहिए था. Rushit, I don't know why not understood, because they all are my old students. Okay, so they know it. Okay, so I'll solve this. Friend of 9 for this is 7, and friend of 10 for 1 is 9. So 2 plus 7 will become 9, and 1 plus 9 will become 10. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. Here 4 plus 5 will become 9. 7 plus 2 will become 9, and 9 plus 1 will become 10. Clear?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo, Adya,
Yes,
tell,
sir. Yes.
tell me the answer directly. One only, huh? Adya, only 100 and 1000.
Okay. 63.
63 wala.
37.
37 you can say. 37. No problem. Okay, next.
334.
Very good. Chalo. Next, Advika.
Yes, sir. 7, 6.
Very good. Next.
3, 7.
3, 7,
8.
8. Nobody is bigger. कोई भी बीच में नहीं बोलेगा. Have patience. Next, Ivan. Ivan,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Yes.
Tell me. 36 will answer. You have to solve this.
क्लास में झालं
Avni, there is a background noise. Avni,
Okay. दीदी आवाज नको
Didi knows me, right? Tell her. It's Hiren Desai's class. Yeah. Ivan,
Yes.
tell me answer.
64.
64. Okay, next. Just tell me digit wise. No tell me 100, 1000 not. Just tell me digit.
634.
634. Very good. It is very easy, right? Chalo. Avni,
Yes, sir.
answer next.
68.
Hmm.
3. Sorry, 6 where is
Barabar.
68? Huh?
3. Correct. 3.
3 and 3 and 2.
Very good. Chalo. Next here.
There again 6 and 6 and 7.
7 कहाँ जाएगा?
Sorry, 7 नहीं. 5 and then 6.
Very good. Chalo. Who wants to try now? The new student. Rishit. 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 Where is Rishit? Rishit left. Okay.
I think.
Rishit है. Rishit. Oh, Rishit. Advai.
Yes.
Chalo, tell me, beta. Next you try.
Okay.
Chalo.
So 6 and 3.
Eh? Friend of 10, darling.
6 and 4. 6
Six
and
and
4.
Correct.
Six.
Next.
Sir, can I try?
Nine. Wait. I'll give everybody time. I'll give chance to everyone.
7.
You start solving and you can check. Others are solving. You write the answers and you can check whether he is
Seven.
doing it correct or wrong. Right? Your answer is coming correct or wrong. It is more important that you understand it is correct or not. Next.
7 to 6.
Very good. Chalo. Next. V1. V1.
Okay, sir. The 100 minus 81. Sir, which
हाँ
one?
बोल
100 minus 81.
हाँ बेटा नेक्स्ट यही है ना बेटा इट इज नेक्स्ट फॉर यू ओनली राइट आई एम गोइंग लाइन बाय लाइन
Yes.
या
क्या मैं वॉशरूम यूज कर लूं?
या बेटा
9.
हाँ you have to go from left to right beta not right to left you don't have to subtract you have to use the Vedic method right what I am teaching
Oh.
first what is written friend of 9 right tens place 1
1.
then friend of 10 beta for 1 Vivan
Yes.
tell me
8.
8 कैसे आएगा बेटा what is friend of 9 friend of 10 for 1 1 plus something is equal to 10 right it will be 9 correct
9. 9. Plus
done
1 plus 10.
okay for here chalo
One more try. Try.
Gar Vivan
5.
5
0.
very good
8.
very nice okay so when you practice this will become faster right it will become very fast okay Vihan Pune can you hear me
Yes.
tell me the answer 33 100 minus 33 tell me the answer Vihan can you hear me
Yes.
can you give me the answer beta
Yes.
yeah tell me what is the answer
I think 67.
6 7 right okay don't think apply the logic you will get the correct answer next Vivan just check the friend of 9 for this now one at a time you can take one at a time Vivan
Yes.
tell me beta you have to solve these also beta
Okay. 8.
हाँ,
7,
very good.
6,
This is friend of 10, darling.
7.
Correct. Understood? Chalo.
Yes.
Who is that? Mishka?
Yeah.
Next.
Okay.
Now this is what? Two numbers, but last one is 0, right? So last non-zero number is friend of 10. So you just say directly 50. Correct? Okay, I'll just tell you here also. I'll solve this also. Chalo. It is first friend of 9, which is 8. Now, because there is a 0 here, there is a non-zero number here. What is that? Last non-zero number, which is friend of 10. Got it? Chalo. Vidhi? Sorry, Mishka, do this.
Sir, let me finish 1000 also.
Sorry? Wait, I finished this, na? I'm giving you, don't. I am giving you both of them. Vidhi. Sorry, not Vidhi. Mishka,
Ah,
solve this.
which one? You one.
Yaar, this one, yaar, I am highlighting it, yaar.
Okay.
32. 32.
Okay.
Quick.
68.
68. You say 6, 8. Now, why you want to say 6, 8? 1,000, 10,000. Why you want to tell this?
Yeah.
Tell me the digit only. Tell me this.
One minute. Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Tell me this. 1091. This one. Come on. Mishka.
8 seconds.
Fast.
891.
Very good. 891. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Who has not done? Vanya.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
7,
Very good.
8.
Very nice. Excellent. Next. This one. 1001.
2,
Hmm.
5,
Hmm. What?
1.
1. Very good. Chalo. Who has not done? Mishka done. Rishit. Rishit, can you hear me? Rishit?
Sir.
1 minute, beta. Rishit, I don't know why he is not able to answer. Whether you slept or I don't know. Okay. Let me check. Let me put him on the chat.
Sir, can I speak
Who beta?
with him?
हाँ विधि तेरा नंबर नहीं आया बेटा
No.
ओके चल बोल बेटा
Okay.
चल बेटा
6, sir.
6 sir
6, sir.
6 sir
Then,
and
wait.
waiting how much time है
3,
3 गड़या very good okay now चलो I'll just change the number here because 666 already comes. Next
yes.
Vivan
4,
have a fur है it is a friend of mine not a 10 अरे आदमी अवनी माइक में अंदर रख अवनी
yes, sir.
lot of background noise
Okay, wait. दीदी प्लीज अपन को रन है 11 बोल
अरे तो मैं काम करते हैं तो ऐसे तो क्या करूं
ओपन
okay 3
अलग क्या करूं मेरे सामने
Avni keep the mic off
Okay. 7.
7.
C.
Very good, man. Very good. Chalo. Now who wants to answer? Chalo, quick. Okay.
Sir, Avni.
Avni. Chalo. One more time. Chalo, quick. Avni.
69.
69. Very good. Next. 1000. Acha. One by one. Chalo, Avni done. Okay.
Yep.
We'll do Adya. Adya, this one.
522. Sir, Asbika.
Wait, everybody. I'll give everybody chance. Don't worry. You raise your hand. I'll ask everyone.
478.
478. Okay. Next, Advika.
Yes, sir. 53.
Eh? Sabas. Sabas. Eh, 53.
43.
R3. Yeah, yeah. Okay, next. Anya.
1.
1. Huh?
You will send this worksheet, right?
Oh, everyone, wait. Vanya. Vanya.
हाँ.
Tell me answer, बेटा. 1 के बाद क्या करूं?
And 0.
Sorry, 1?
6 and 0.
No. 1, 7 because it is last non-zero number, right? Last non-zero number should be friend of 10, correct?
Yes.
Very good. ठीक है, तो ये ध्यान रखना 0 वाला. चलो next. Who is next? Okay, Mishka.
Already did.
Where, beta, this second time. You want to do it or should I give it to somebody else?
I'll do it.
Then finish it off. Jaldi. Come on. Yeah, this one. चलो जल्दी फटाफट.
28.
28. Why have to say 28? Just say 28, one by one. That is why it took so much of time, right? When you say form the number, not needed. You just have to get the correct answer. We have to be very quick. Don't form the number name. It is not required. Vivan. Next.
Yes.
Piche.
Sir,
58.
let me finish. Which one?
This one, 58. Come on.
Sir.
Yeah. 5. कहाँ से आएगा? Friend of 9. 4, 2. चलो Ivan, next.
अरे.
This one. हाँ? Ivan, Yogi.
I mean, sir.
Wait. हाँ? 2, 6.
6.
Very good. चलो next. Vihan. Vihan. Vihan 84. Vihan
Yes.
84. Last one.
Sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, I can't.
Vihan?
Yeah.
Beta, give me the answer, beta. Give me the answer. What will it be 84 for? Friend of 9 for 8 is what? 1.
5.
And then friend of 10 for 4?
Sir, can I say 6?
No. 6. Nobody will interrupt.
No.
Maybe let him take 1 hour. I am okay with it.
Sir, I want to say the answer. Sir. Sir, please.
Wait. I'll mute everyone. Wait, I'll mute everyone. Chalo, very good. Chalo, I'll open. Vanya, open the mic. Vanya, unmute. Once only.
sir.
हाँ Vanya, tell me बेटा. This one. Very good. 5.
7, 8.
Very good. Vidhi, unmute बेटा. This one बेटा. Vidhi, unmute. I send your request. Click on that. Yes. Tell me. This one.
Sir, 3721 na?
Yes.
It will be 6,
Very good. 6. Correct है.
2, 8.
2, 8. Very good. फटाफट बोल दिया आई टाइम. चलो और कौन बच गया? ओके विवान मर्चेंट. ऑन कर माइक.
Yes, sir. On.
टेल मी.
561.
Yes, 561.
First one is 4,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
9.
Very good. Next, Advai. अद्वै किधर गया? अनम्यूट बेटा.
Yes.
1
0 0.
नहीं, मैंने बताया लास्ट नॉन जीरो नंबर 10 होना चाहिए, राइट?
हाँ.
तो लास्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ 10, लास्ट ऑफ 0 का भी फ्रेंड ऑफ 10 10 होगा ना. So when you say 0 and you have 10 here, so it will become what? This will become 1 here, right? So last non-zero number should be friend of 10.
One.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody clear? Now everybody can unmute. I'll allow everybody to unmute. Everybody is clear now?
Yes.
Now listen
Sir.
very carefully. When I listen. When I ask anyone, nobody else will disturb there, right? If you want to give your answer, write in a notebook. When they give the answer, verify you are correct or you are not. Is it clear?
Yes,
No hurry. There is no prize for everybody to talk on the screen. Everybody will get equal chance. Only somebody will take quicker, somebody will take more time, which is okay, right? Eventually, everybody will learn and grow very fast, right? Only those who take a little time, they have to practice more. That's it. Nothing else.
Yes.
Clear, everyone?
I did not get chance to say any answer.
कौन?
Rushit.
रिकॉर्डिंग चेक कर. रिकॉर्डिंग चेक 15 बार तेरे को बुलाया. 15 बार.
Sir, I said yes. You are saying. I said many times yes.
एक मिनट डार्लिंग. ठीक है. अच्छा, anybody? I did not listen. Anybody listen his voice?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I 10 times I call your name. Rishit. You're not. You slept actually. I was to call you right now after this class. I was to call your mom. You went to sleep, right?
No, sir. I was on the class only. I was here only.
क्लास तेरा आवाज कहाँ गया फिर? आवाज नहीं आया.
But I said many times yes.
No. Don't fiddle with mic. Listen.
Sir.
Don't fiddle with mic or anything. Please don't adjust. I was calling your name. Rishid. I called a message also. I sent out a message. I called unmute. You did not so.
Was he on a computer?
I don't know where he was. Clear? Everyone? Beta, the next time pe make sure that I call your name. If you are not able to, your voice is not reaching me, call me. Send a message. Message मैंने डाला, उसके बाद तूने मेरे को message किया कि sir I don't get the chance. Tell everyone and go through the recording. How many times I called your name? How many times? Not once. 10 times I called your name. Okay? Is it clear, Vidhi?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Vanya.
Yes, sir.
All are clear? Very good. So I give you the worksheet.
Sir, we
Read that worksheet and
get
upload.
like this worksheet today.
Yes, already I already uploaded worksheet. You will get.
Oh wow.
I'll show you.
Oh wow,
I'll
thank you.
directly show you in the classroom. Okay.
Yeah.
Next time we are going to do much heavier than this.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Oh,
make sure
God.
that by the time you get tables and friend of 9 and 10 and 100 all are done. Correct? I'm showing you the worksheet here.
Teacher.
This is already given. See, number bond of all from 9, last from 10. Okay, and I'll send you some of the worksheet, some of the sample also, which I have taken in the
Sir,
class.
after class you have to show a photo of this, right?
So whatever you've done now, whatever solved in the class, what you noted down, you have to send me the photograph. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm sending you this.
Mambo.
Forward. So I'm telling you, as grade 2 also I'm teaching the same thing. From grade 4 also I'm teaching the same thing. See, and from grade 3 also, see, this is once you've done the addition subtraction will become easier for you, right? Can you see this? See, I give so many things here to give, right? Can you see this? So next week, those who are given a table practice have to do table practice, correct? And my next time when I ask you, you have to be very, very, very sure and very quick in solving. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So those who
Yes,
are not
sir.
doing the table or they are not doing a friend of 9 or 10 or 100, please practice that. क्या करो? Sit in front of mirror, stand in the front of a mirror, read loudly multiple times, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Correct, Vanya? Yes or no? Vivan,
Yes.
is it correct?
Yes.
Vihan,
Yes.
correct? Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
So next time I am going to take the class. Okay, those who are listen very carefully. Those who are not solving, they have to come next day, Sunday morning, 7 o'clock class. You will
Sir.
have 7 to 10 3 hour class if you don't perform well, right? So there will be
Sir.
extra class. Like for Ivan, he knows. Okay, Avni, she's practicing. Okay, Adya, she knows. Advika, she knows. Okay, those who know tables very clearly, very fluently. Okay, I will not take or I'll see the improvement better than last time. Then I'll allow you one more week. Otherwise, Sunday morning, 7. If you still don't improve, then you have to come at my place at morning 7.
7. Yes.
Yes, देखो अवनी को
Sir, I will get S1 sheet also.
वो बेटा
Advika.
हाँ हाँ बेटा तेरे को आता है तू टेंशन क्यों लेती है तू टेंशन ले तो फोन करना मेरे को वाई और वरी
Sir, आपने बोला कि आप दोगे तो फिर मैं कंप्लीट करूँगा.
अरे हाँ डार्लिंग आई नो यू डू इट वेरी वेल जो शीशे अभी तू तो ऑलरेडी बुलेट की स्पीड से दौड़ रही है तो बाकी सबको भी लेके आओ ना पीछे सो दे ऑल्सो हैव टू कैच अप राइट ठीक है चलो
Yes, sir.
सी यू बाय
Bye, sir.
आज 15 मिनट क्लास एक्सटेंड हो गया अपना अच्छा
Bye,
नेक्स्ट टाइम
sir.
एवरीबॉडी जॉइन ऑन
Thank you,
टाइम
sir.
एवरीबॉडी
Bye, sir.
जॉइन ऑन
Thank you,
टाइम नेक्स्ट
sir.
टाइम ओके
Bye, sir. Thank
बाय
you, sir.
बाय
Bye, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
यस
Hi,
सर
sir.
व्हाट हु वांट्स टू टॉक
Sir, Vanya.
हाँ बोल बेटा
Sir, I want
1 minute 1 minute I'll just stop the recording hold on